All right, so we're looking at the difference between mass and weight. So mass is the amount of matter something has. Weight is the force of gravity acting on it. So we can say that the weight is equal to mg, the mass times the acceleration of gravity. What that means for me is that if I take this mass from here on Earth and I bring it to somewhere else, like the moon, let's say, the mass stays the same from place to place. However, because the acceleration of gravity changes as I go from the Earth to the moon, that means the overall force of gravity is going to change, and so the weight is changing. So whenever we go from one place to another with different gravitational forces, we have different weights, but the mass will remain the same. So what I'd like you to do is write down below this, there's a practice. Go ahead and give that practice a try, and then I'll show you some answers. All right, so you tried the practice problem, so here we have our answers. So the first one, they gave me the weight and said it was here on Earth. Well, they implied it, so I had to find the mass. So the mass came out to be 0.3265 kilograms. For part B, they wanted us to find weight, and they gave us the mass, so we went ahead and used our equation, again, here on Earth, and we found the weight. If you are going to go to a different planet or a moon or something, you will be using a different g value, and that is the acceleration of gravity on that planet or moon.